Hi there and welcome to another episode of Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for joining us on the channel today, and we've got a brand new kit to take a look at, and it's by FTX. I think this has pretty much just been released in the UK via CML distribution. This one in particular came from Model Sport and is the FTX Rokatan or Rokatan, depending how you say it. I like Rokatan myself. And here it is, and it is in a pretty big box, especially for a 1/10 car. Now, it says on the front 1/10 XL, ready to run 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle. But when you see it, to me it looks more like maybe like a 1/9. Or if you remember that Team Associated, was it the SRC dirt oval car I had? That was more like this sort of size, and I think this is still a bit bigger. Anyway, what I'm going to do is now I have taken it out of the box already because I didn't want to look like a prat trying to faff around and drag it out. So I've already done that, and I'll read through what's on the box as well. So we'll do that first, and then we'll look at the actual car itself. But it is pretty big. So I'm going to do that. There you go. Look at that. Boy, how cool is that? Love it. Anyway, I'm going to just read you a bit of info on this box and then get it out of the way. Okay, so it's a brand new kit by FTX. As I said, it's a 1/10 XL. So I think it's more of a 1/9 scale. It's ready to run 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle. It's 4-wheel drive, shaft-driven, brushless motor and ESC, 99% ready to run, 2.4 gig radio, waterproof. It's got high ground clearance, a moulded tub main chassis, front and rear aluminium chassis skid plates, shock absorbing front and rear bumpers, waterproof, 50 amp brushless ESC, sealed drivetrain with slipper clutch, and it comes with a 3652 KV 2500 brushless motor, 5 kilogram steering servo, so probably not the most ideal, but it will probably do. Probably needs to be a little better. And it even comes with a 3S 30C 3500 milliamp LiPo battery, LiPo balance charger, and LED roof bar. Right, anyway, because this is so huge, let's get that out the blooming way. Oh. There we go. So that is the vehicle you get out of the box. Now, what drew me to this is about a month ago, if any of you follow Tom Lee RC, Tom Lee RC got one of the first in. It was like a pre-production version of this, and he showed it on his channel. And then just recently, he's also done another video on this as well. So I thought, when I first saw it, I thought, yeah, I'm liking that, and I've been looking for it to be released since I saw it originally, like a month ago on Tom Lee RC. So here it is. I thought I've got to have a go on one of these. It looks cool, so I'm sure, you know, you can tell by looking at it, it's got a bit of a sort of apocalyptic, I can't say that today, apocalyptic sort of vibe to it. So it's, you know, I think probably most people are saying it's got that sort of, that look, pretty of a Mad Max look to it. It's got its, you know, American muscle car beefed up and ready for the apocalypse. So it's really cool. I'm liking the look of it. Now, before we go any further on with that, this is what you get rid of it. Get with it, I should even say. Put my teeth back in. It's E202 Pulse 2.4 gig EX4 GT radio system. Okay, so you get on that, you get your steering dual rates, throttle dual rates, steering trims, throttle trim, channel reverse. I think there's even a third channel on there. Yeah, and your bind button. So yeah, it's okay. It'll be fine for this. I do think though, actually, the spring on it for the trigger for the accelerator seems a bit, I'd like a bit more resistance personally, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's your handset there. Right. Okay, and what do you get with it? Well, let's have a quick nosy. Okay. Okay, so that is your instruction manual and your operating manual. So it's all cool in there. And it goes through the steps on how to build, is it how to build it or maintain it and getting it running. Let's have a look. Yeah. So, yeah, I think it just take you through the steps and how to build it up. So yeah, all in there, so that's good. So that is your manual. Yeah, set up instructions and exploded drawings and component listing. So there we go. Okay, you do get as well, with it being coming with a 3S LiPo, you do get this Power Pal Pocket 2 LiPo balance charger for 2 and 3S LiPos and Li-Fi batteries. So that's good as well. Also comes with a European plug as well. And we got some spare servo horns and some shock collars to alter your ride height. And of course, I like this. This is a good touch, I think. You've got a Volts LiPo charge sack as well. So when you're charging your LiPo battery, you put it in there, and then it just helps if anything does catch fire or it goes a bit south, then hopefully that will help protect everything else. So yeah, also when you're charging your LiPos, put them in the LiPo sack. Okay, so good to see that FTX have included one in the box with everything. I'm liking that. Now then, let's go and have more of a look at this. This is absolutely wicked. Look at that. That is really cool. Bit of a weight, so it's a bit weighty, but it's got everything in there. But I think they've done a nice job of the body on the whole. Now, again, I wouldn't have known this unless I watched Tom Lee's video, but on his pre-production video, the exhausts here were just in the same colour as the body. Now, I actually like that more than this, but that's just me personally. It still looks cool as, but I actually like these in body colour to match the rest of the car. Anyway, that's just me. Another thing on the body as well, this is always good. You undo the little nut there, and you have a full-size, fully working, it will come on, spare wheel. I like that. It's not just there as part of the body to look pretty. It is a functioning spare wheel, so that's cool. I'm liking that. So, very cool indeed. Tyres, they're not super soft, but they're reasonable. I think they'll be fine for this. Just stick that back on. Also as well, always, if you've got a problem with losing your body clips, they're here attached to a little rubber, what you call it now, a little attachment there, bit of a elasticity in it, so you don't lose them, they just ping around and they are fixed to the body. So I do like that as well. A good little feature. So anyway, let's undo the pins on this. We can show you inside the chassis. Also as well, you'll see this on the running video that I'll do, but this is your LED light bar that comes with it. And the FTX have done a really nice job on the body. It's even got proper, proper door handles, but plastic door handles on that stick out. They're not just a decal. I like that as well. And you've got the chrome plated, plastic. Well, it is plastic, but it's chrome plated. It's like a big engine on the front, big blowing engine, big V8 maybe, something like that. So that's really cool. That I'm liking that. Okay, so let's lift the body off. It's quite a weighty thing, especially with that tyre on. If you look inside, they've done a nice job. They've backed it in a silver as well, which is good to see that manufacturers, when they spray the bodies up and whatnot, they're backing them as well. So I like that. That is very cool. Okay, so this leaves us with the chassis here. Now, I'm not entirely sure, but I think this chassis is used on a different vehicle. Not entirely sure though. So don't quote me on that. But there you go, that is the chassis there. Turn it the other way so you can see. Okay. So yeah, you get quite a bit of ground clearance there, which is good. Nice. It's a bit louder now, but nice suspension. It's got turnbuckle tie rods all around. It has got plastic shocks with the alloy caps on. So I will bring the camera over so you can see this, a lot closer up. It's also what else it's got? It's got alloy motor mount, alloy prop shaft, and also it's got alloy. What do you call it? The hinge pin. It's got alloy hinge pin brackets on as well. So seems like a really quite a nice kit. So I'm liking that. And again, there is your 50 amp ESC and the 2500 kV brushless motor. Now it should shift pretty well with this 3500 3S LiPo. Now, as I said, when Tommy did a speed run with this on tarmac, he said he got about, I think it was about 37 mile an hour. So that's like close to 40 mile an hour. So that's pretty quick indeed. So I think that's quite cool. That also, as well, as I said, you've got turnbuckles on. You can alter your what do you call it? You can alter your toe in, toe out, and camber with the pillar balls here. You can alter that. So that's quite good as well. You've got a bit of tunability on your shock tower and on your A-arms at the bottom. What is CVJs? No, just dog bones, I think. Fully ball raced as well. So yeah, it's very nice. And the slipper clutch looks pretty damn beefy as well. There's certainly a huge nut on that you can alter the slipper clutch with. So yeah, looking good. So also I say, when I bring the camera over, you'll see there's a nice big, it's not even like a Lexan cover. It's a big plastic transparent cover that covers the slipper clutch and the pinion. So I like that. That's good. You can two clips there. You can unclip that. I can't get off from it. Coming off? Is it coming out? It's one off. So see if I can pull that off there. Do you want it to come off? No, I remember this being a little bit tight. There you go. So that's a little cover there, but I do like that. Keeps everything nice and sealed from the dust and dirt and elements. So yeah, that is cool. And what else as well? Yeah, and also covering. You've got a big again similar material to this, I think, but you've got a clear sort of casing over the prop shaft again to keep all the muck out. I like that idea as well, and that just screws in by the looks of it. So yeah, liking those ideas. So I'll say that's the chassis. Also, you can get to your servo horn if you need to. Just a little cutout there, so you can alter that if you need to as well. So yeah, altogether it seems and feels pretty sturdy, and I must admit I'm looking forward to getting this out and driving it. Right, so what we're going to do is we'll bring get the camera over and you can have a closer look. Now, just for the purpose of the video, I am going to turn it around right actually. I'm just going to bring this over a minute so you can see the car with the body on, and then after I'll just whip that off and we can have a look closer. Right, so let's get the camera over. Look at that, how cool is that? So that's the FTX Rokatan. I am liking that, it looks absolutely wicked. Right, so what we're going to do is now, I'm going to lift that shell off again, and you can see underneath it. Hey, that's the shell falling over. So okay, that's your chassis. You've got massive side bumpers protecting the chassis, and they just sit snugly right under the body shell. Okay, so if you can see there, that's the really beefy slipper clutch that's on it, and that's where that clear plastic cover sits as well, keeping all the muck and dirt out. And also, as well as you can just see it there, you can see the plastic covering over the alloy prop shaft. Again, keeping all the muck and crap out of it. So I think that's another good move. And of course, your E-tronics ESC combo. There, that's, again, you can see if I turn it around, you can see what size motor it is and the KV rating. Again, so yeah, and also, as I said, if you look down there, you can see the blue alloy hinge pinch brackets. There's one there on the other side, and again, you've got them on the front there as well. You can just about see them there. So yeah, I mean, this is looking really cool, really. I can't wait to run this. Okay, as I say, just a bit close up, that is your handset and charger, instructions, and the LiPo sack as well. Turn this around a minute. Oh, sorry for the shakiness. And there we go, that is your volts, 3500 LiPo, 3S LiPo battery as well, that's included. Also, that there is to power the light bar on top of the body. That comes out of the receiver. So yeah, it's looking cool. So hopefully I'll be able to bring you the running video to this pretty damn quickly. Just a case of charging the battery up. As I say, it's like 99% ready to run. So, and for the money, which is about £249 this was, you know, for everything ready to go, plus you get a LiPo battery and a charger and everything, I think that's pretty damn good, really. So, excellent. So far, this new kit by FTX is shaping up to be really cool. And, yeah, looking forward to this one a lot. Right, okay then, I am going to leave it here for now. I do hope you'll check this video out and also check out our running video on this very soon. Hopefully, I'll be getting that filmed tomorrow, depending on what the weather's like. Right, I'm going to go for now. Thank you for joining us today. Much appreciated as always. And we'll see you on the next one. Look after yourselves and take care. Come follow us on Andy Robinson RC on Facebook and Instagram if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, we're really on a push to get to 2,000 subscribers. I think we're on about 1,844 so far. So I'm hoping we'll get to the magic 2,000 mark very soon. So yeah, if you could like the video and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. Right, look after yourselves, take care, and hopefully we'll see you all very soon. See you later. Bye.